today's episode, we're building the Surfer prototype. Welcome back to the program. On today's episode, I'll be making a template for the electronics cavity. I start by tracing my previous template and marking where the electronics cavity is going to be. I then take the pickguard and give myself some cleaner lines and mark exactly where the screw holes are. Then the interior is cut out. I take a piece of 1/4 inch MDF that I had left over and I cut it to the size I need. Then I transfer the paper template onto it. Here I punch in for the positions of the screws and trace the interior. I trace the outer lines with the pickguard itself. I drill where the screw positions are and then I countersink those. That's so that they don't interfere with the router. The template will be screwed in the exact same position as the pickguard. I drill a few holes and remove the material in the middle. Next, I take the template to the oscillating sander and get it as close as I can to the edge. I then refine the edges by hand and mark for the depth of each area. It will be a little bit deeper at one side where it says 1 inch depth. That's because the jack is a little bit longer than the pots. I then screw the template in place and begin routing. After a couple of passes, I can then remove the template and continue to the depth that I need. This is at 3/4. This little area at the end is at 1 inch deep. Here I do a test fit. Everything lines up and fits very well. Next, I connect the cavities together for the wires to pass through. One hole is drilled to the pickup. The other smaller hole is for the ground wire to the bridge. Here I have the pickup roughly in place. It's only held by the pickguard, and that's so I can mark for the holes where it's going to be attached to the body. I had to trim the screws down a little bit. In this case, the pickup is fixed, but a height adjustment could be added as well. I added some shielding tape to the pickguard, installed the pots in the jack, and then wired them. This is a 22K orange drop capacitor. Pots are 500K. As per the Marzio wiring, red is hot, green and bare are soldered together, and black and white are taped off. Everything's wired up, ready to go. The reason why I mount the pickup to the body instead of the pickguard is to have a much cleaner look, and it's purely for aesthetics. and I'll be adding shielding to the cavity after the body is finished. Everything is looking good and it fits as it should. Let's test out the pickup before assembling. I'll be using these Neural Dome Goto knobs. They have a great feel when turning and are very good quality. Things are coming together very well. Let's not forget this ground wire that needs to attach to the claw. I'm very happy with the progress so far, and it's starting to look like an actual guitar. Not much left to go. I will be installing one more pickup, which will be in the next episode. And then final sanding, paint, clear, plus a few little finishing touches, and we'll have a finished guitar. If you like what you see so far, please leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and please subscribe for upcoming videos. After this project is complete, I will be starting a new build of a completely different design. And now let's have a few strums and see how it sounds.